and an early Merry Christmas, and I want to talk to you about getting some early gifts for some students this year. And I want to talk to you all about getting what we want and what we wish for, because so often we feel like, oh, well, you can't really have this without this, or you can't kind of have your cake and eat it, right? And I totally get that in many, many ways. But what's been happening for so many students that have been working with me is they're totally getting everything they wish for. Their parents are getting everything that they wish for and more. And so I wanted to give you a couple of examples, and this got sort of spurred on for me by an email I got this week from Hannah. Hannah she's been through my 10-week program, she's been working with me in personal coaching, and she got her Year 12 OP result this week and emailed it through to me. And for those of you that aren't familiar with this old OP system in Queensland, this is the final year that it's running. It's being taken over by the ATAR system for next year. So a 1 is like the top result you can get, and she was hoping for anything in single figures, so sort of below a 10, and she got an OP6. So she was absolutely, in her words, stoked by that result. But this is the sentence that stood out to me from her email. She wrote, "I really appreciate everything you've helped me with over the years. It definitely made the last few years of high school a lot more smooth and enjoyable." So who would think that you can actually escalate and catapult those results whilst also reducing the stress, the strain, the anxiety, the pressure that students are under along the way? So that really then got me thinking, you know what, I've had lots of these sorts of messages over the last few weeks. So another one I had was from Nathan's mum, Rachel, who just sent me an update on the Facebook page on Rock Solid Study, and she said Nathan's doing really well at the moment. He seems to be going well with his English as well, and only a few more weeks to go for this year, but he is the happiest he has been in years. So that's a huge win in itself. The fact that he was struggling, the fact that he was losing confidence, and she wanted him to be able to regain some of that confidence and work in a much more happier and smoother and effective way that also gave him some results he could be proud of. And literally she messaged me again later that day to just go, "I just got this," and she forwarded me this screenshot of a photo that he'd sent her that day from school, just saying, "I got a high in English, question mark, exclamation mark," because it was the first time he got a result that categorized in the high level for an English assignment. So he's getting those brilliant results that he never thought he could get, and his happiness, his confidence have skyrocketed as well. And then I'll give you one more example. So you may have seen Tara and her mum and dad on a case study video that I've put out before. So her parents were just a little bit concerned because she was already getting some really great results, but she was in year 9 when she did the 10-week program and started then working with me more, and her parents were concerned because she was putting herself into a lot of pressure. She was working super long hours on assignments and getting essays drafted and prepping for exams, and they were already thinking, oh my goodness, what is this going to be like when we get to their senior years? Let's see if we can get her some of those strategies and techniques that are going to help her work more smoothly and more efficiently now. And that's totally what's happened. She tackles all of those assignments a lot more strategically, gets everything done a lot faster, but she, this year, also got announced as Dux of year 11. Her grades have gone up even higher than they already were, and her work-life balance, her enjoyment has escalated as well. So maybe we can have everything we wish for when it comes to academic success, personal enjoyment along the way, and all of the other things that we wish for going through school, and particularly high school. So with that, I want to wish you a very Merry Christmas for 2019. Can you believe we're going into 2020? I have so many exciting and new things planned. I'll tell you all about that next week. For now, have a very happy and safe holiday, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.